Hi, my name is Adam Focus and I'm doing my MYP Criterion D assessment on wind turbines and how they are a renewable energy resource. In my presentation I am going to be explaining how my renewable resource, which is wind turbines, can be used to create energy. I will be going over how wind turbines are used to turn this renewable resource into energy, which we can use to power our homes. Wind turbines create energy by using an engine generator to turn the turbines like a windmill around, so you can see up here. These turbines are positioned at a strong upright, about 90 meters high. Each turbine is about 50 meters long, and these turn at about 100 miles per hour. Here you can see where they are positioned. So this is like the base, the 90-meter tall tower. The energy is generated by the turbine movement is drawn into a shaft that is transferred into power lines through a transformer. Wind turbines operate most of the time, precisely 80% of the time, but they do not function when there is no wind, or if the wind is too strong, they shut down because they don't want to prevent damage. They are located on the coast or on windy hills. Positive implications of wind energy include: wind energy is one of the fastest growing resources of energy in the world. Using wind power energy reduces our use of electricity. It doesn't burn fossil fuels, so it's a clean source of energy. It doesn't pollute our environment. Wind energy is sustainable because it uses its own wind energy to generate more energy, and there's always more wind, so it's always renewable, especially in Wellington. It's a clean, safe, and green form of electricity generation. Wind farms can be small or huge, which means they give lots of options for where they can be located. They might be used in small rural areas to provide energy for farms, or a big city area to fuel energy for many homes and businesses. They also help reduce the price of energy, which is beneficial for everyone. Although there are a lot of positive implications about wind energy, there also includes negatives. Some negative implications of wind energy include a danger to local species populations, particularly birds and bats, which are the most affected by wind turbines. When a wind turbine blade rotates at high speeds, the air pressure around the blade shifts, increasing the possibility of birds and bats bumping into the blades. Estimate 100,000 birds are killed each year due to wind turbines. Some more negative implications include: wind turbines also produce a lot of noise pollution, which can affect people in nearby areas. You have to find a remote area to put them in, which cannot be able in every area. They do not look aesthetically pleasing in nearby cities, ruining their skylines. If there is no wind, no energy is produced from the wind turbines. In conclusion, I think that wind energy is a good renewable energy source. My reasoning for this is that it is very sustainable. It is a very clean energy source that produces little to zero fossil fuels. The positive implications outnumber the negative implications, meaning that there is very few negatives such as wind pollution, and the impact on birds and bats in the area are less significant than the gains of this renewable resource. The best outcomes of this resource are: it's one of the fastest growing energy resources in the world. It doesn't burn fossil fuels, so it's a clean source of energy that doesn't pollute our environment. And they also help reduce the price of energy, which is beneficial for everyone. Here is my bibliography, which includes all the websites I used for my research, and another diagram or a close-up of how the wind turbine functions. Thank you for watching.